right, cool down number 2. A small can of Coke holds 75% as much as a large can. If the small can holds 36%, how much does the large can hold? Okay, so first of all, the 75% is the small can. And so the large can, it would be the whole thing. So that is going to be my 100%. So I need to make sure to include that information when I draw these. So for my double number line, let's go ahead and start it with 0 and 0. These are my percentages down here. These are the milliliters of the drink. So we know that 75%, let me just put it somewhere out here, 75% is 36. And what I'm trying to figure out is, what is 100%? Because the 100% would be the large can. Okay, so going directly up from that, this is what I'm looking for. So it's going to be bigger than 36%, or bigger than 36 milliliters, sorry. Now, going from 100 to 75 to 100 might be a little bit tricky, but what you could do is you could divide this by 3. So 1, 2, 3, and count up by 25. So that would make this 25%, this 50%, 75%, and then the next one would be 100. Well, if you divided the top up by thirds, well, if that's 36, you divide that by 3. That means each of these is 12. So I'm going to be counting up by 12s. 12, 24, 36, and 48. So in this one, a large can of Coke is going to hold 48 milliliters. So that would be how you'd show it on a double number line. On a tape diagram, again, if this was, and this is just a different visual representation. So if this is 100%, and the small can of Coke holds 75%. So I'm going to divide this up into 4 equal pieces. Each of those pieces would be 25%. So 3 of them, up here in the top, would be 36 milliliters, which means in each of those boxes, it's going to be 12. 12 milliliters, 12 milliliters, 12 milliliters. Well, if each of those individual boxes is 25%, that means my last box is also going to have 12 milliliters in it. So in total, how much do I have? Well, you would just take that, 12 times 4, because there's 4 boxes, and that gets you to the same answer of 48 milliliters.